Hey everyone, hopefully you're having a good day. My name's Andy. My channel is Finding Value. We're going to do our uranium technical analysis update. I'll give you my financial opinion, and guess what? We're going straight into it. So here we go. This is the uranium futures price. Basically flat, 46.85. Looking at the Sprott Physical Uranium Trust, we got a nice big wick at the bottom. I like seeing wicks. Why? At least at the bottom. Wicks at the top usually means you're going to pull back. Wicks at the bottom typically means the momentum is coming back upward. So those wicks tell us something. It tells us sharp reversals. There's a big wick there. And we went sideways. But looking at this, it does look good. We'll go to the dailies. We're just kind of moving sideways at the time. There is still momentum down here, and I still haven't seen the big buyer step in yet. Not yet. I'm waiting for that. Looking at Uranium, getting a little bit more buying pressure here. Looking good. Looks like we're kind of breaking out of this little area there. Looks good. Are we going to rocket higher? Maybe. We could. I know everybody wants answers. Well, I need to know your opinion on this. My opinion is it doesn't matter. We should be accumulating in this section here is what we should be doing. Worry less about the direction, worry more about how you're positioning and why you're positioning in it. Uranium is still cheap. Looking at CCJ, that's rocketing higher, looks absolutely fantastic. This is a leader in the sector. The sector is, the leader in the sector is moving higher. So what we want to do is we want to focus our efforts on maybe some of the smaller companies, the ones that haven't moved as much. The ones that are putting in positive signals like these bullish engulfings before they take off. Like a Bannerman. Dang. Bannerman is looking good. They are got a bullish piercing and then another bullish kind of engulfing of all these ones before it. It's looking quite good, quite solid. And I think it looks great. Goviax. Bouncing up to the upside here. Can we get a little bit of volatility? Yeah, we could, but this bullish engulfing was the start of this move. So it popped higher, we came on back. This was a buying opportunity, and then I think we're going to work our way higher. Global Atomic, another one that's getting a little bit of buying pressure, broken out of the steep downtrend line, still looks okay. This is your bullish engulfing that created it. Go back and learn what bullish engulfings are. Look it up. Forces Metals. This is a bullish engulfing there, and a hammer pattern here. That is the start of the move. Looking fantastic. I can't believe it went up 10.33. I did buy in here, guys. I did load up. Oh, Andy, it's so easy to hit these bottoms. Well, you know what? If you're a platinum member, I was talking about some of these uranium companies throughout, saying it's down and I'd be a buyer. Some of the question and answer sessions. Pierpoint Uranium get a little bit of a bloody nose. That's usually a continuation pattern upward. So that's looking good. Deep Yellow, getting a little bit of buying pressure here. That looks good as well. I like it down here quite a bit. Paladin Energy getting some buying pressure. This was the big bullish engulfing pattern that worked its way higher. Go back and look at my videos. Go back and look. And I said the bullish engulfing, and I probably wrote this up higher like this. And this is what we're doing. We're coming higher. Sky Harbor, still bouncing around, still looks good though. This is a bullish piercing. These patterns that you should be recognizing on the candlestick formations. Canalaska, moving higher there. We've got Next Gen Energy moving on up, bullish engulfing right there. It's going to work its way higher. And it doesn't mean that it just goes straight higher. You could have things that come up and step back like this and work its way on up. That is what I mean by higher. Baseload Energy moving up a little bit today, back above the support line. Go to all here, go to logarithmic, and this is what we're doing. We have a large entry point, and we're consolidating upward. And then we're going to have a party when this thing breaks, guys. Big old break. We got Fission 3.0 coming right down to this corner here. It's squeezing up, guys. This is it. If you like it, I mean, this is an exploration play. It's a lot more speculative than some of the, well, the whole area is speculative, but this is they don't have any pounds in the ground. They're an exploration company. And I don't know if they found anything yet. This is a bullish engulfing there that usually starts it. So if you want to take on the risk, that's up to you. Fission getting this nice big bullish engulfing. When I talk about bullish engulfings, they usually resolve higher. We have a small down day, which is a bloody nose. We've heard about these bloody noses before. They usually work their way up. Kazatomprom moving sideways. Peninsula Energy getting a little bit more selling pressure there. Boss Energy moving up a little bit. Consolidated Uranium moving sideways. We've got Lotus Resources moving sideways today. UROI moving on up. It's looking a little bit better there. Nice good support underneath. Encore Energy getting a little bit of a... We're above support. Looks like we're probably going to hit the support line a couple times. UU coming up above support. Again, we could pull back. That's these red candlesticks want to kind of pull back and maybe move up like that. URG, probably similar. Yeah, a little wick at the top. We may pull back just a teeny bit before moving higher. UEC looking good. We got LEU with the update today. That looks good. I like how they finish strong here. I like finishing strong. LTBR moving sideways. We've got ISO Energy moving on up, looking good. Appy Energy bouncing all around here. I still think this is a great opportunity to get that one. DNN moving on up. We've got Blue Sky Uranium moving sideways. Form Energy Metals moving sideways. And Anfield moving sideways. Laramide getting a little bit more buy-in pressure. So what you can see here, if you want to learn, you come on up, you come on, pull back, and then you go sideways for a little bit. Then you go. So this was digesting that downward momentum to transition it higher. Western Uranium, Vanadium moving sideways. UEXCF coming back up, trying to break that support resistance line. Coming back up for Mega Uranium, going Mega. Standard Uranium right at support. ALXCF going up a little bit higher. Valor Metals moving on up today, bouncing off this support, guys. This right here, if you go back in my videos, that would be May 6th, Uranium. You can see this bullish piercing pattern. I probably said, hey, it's probably going to work its way higher. EL8 right at support, and then 92E looking good there for going long. That's the uranium sector, guys. It's looking actually quite good. A lot of buying pressure, lots of bullish candlesticks right above support. And again, these things are sitting down there waiting for people, maybe like yourself, to accumulate. It's up to you. I did buy on this pullback. I shared it with the members on the website, the Platinum members, and what I was buying, what I like, my favorite companies. Again, just a reminder, we do have tomorrow a question and answer session, Saturday, Mountain Standard Time at 5 p.m. If you want to attend that, you got to be a Platinum member. You sign up, you go to the Zoom meeting, and you can go and listen to, or you can ask me questions or listen to other people's questions, up to you. I do videotape it. I put those on afterwards. I put those on the website, the Finding Value website, and you can view those after the fact too if you can't attend it or join it. If you guys like the content, subscribe to the channel, subscribe to the website, give me a thumbs up, do all that cool stuff, and we'll catch you next time. This is Finding Value.